Hi folks, this is Alice. We're going to be seeing each other again very soon on Friday. At that time I'm going to be doing a live Zoom presentation of the orientation to the whole program, which is a lot to cover in a very short period of time via Zoom. But we will go over that, and then I will also direct you to all the modules for the upcoming class, Search 440, the Basic Sciences for Surgical Technology, in which we will cover several different pieces of material, anatomy and physiology throughout the entire semester, and then little separate sections on 2 weeks on, say, microbiology, 2 weeks on pharmacology, 2 weeks on conceptual physics. So I want you to really pay attention to read that syllabus and look at the calendar that I'm going to create for you. It won't be available to you, unfortunately, until you are registered in the class, and that will be dependent upon whether you've completed your background check and your drug screen. As soon as that happens, then Alyssa Wong Conway can submit your name and your G00 number for you to be able to register for the class, and then you will have access to Canvas and all the tools and the bells and whistles available to that. If you have not used Canvas, I suggest that you go to any Canvas the Canvas store, if you will, and download some instructions or some information about what it offers. That's it for today. We will be discussing more on Friday and hope to see you there. Thank you. Bye.